In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Canva AI video generator for beginners. Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use the Canva AI video generator for beginners. Start by opening Canva on your browser. Make sure you're logged in so your work saves automatically. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar. You'll see options like Home, Projects, and Brand. Right beside those, click Canva AI. This is where Canva groups its AI tools, making it easy to find everything in one place. Next, choose Video Clip. This tells Canva you want to create a short video piece rather than a static design. From here, select Text to Video or AI Video Generator. Depending on your account, you might see one label or the other, but both lead you to the same AI workflow for creating videos from a written description. Now enter your prompt describing the video you want to create. Be clear and specific. Mention the topic, tone, audience, length, and any visuals or scenes you want. For example, you might say you want a 30-second upbeat promo with bold text, product shots, and a modern style. The more guidance you give, the better the result. If you see options to choose the video style or format, set those before generating. Pick an aspect ratio that matches where you'll publish, like 16:9 for YouTube or 9:16 for vertical platforms. You can also choose a theme to influence colors, pacing, and transitions. Click Generate and let Canva do its thing. You'll see it assemble clips, text, and music based on your prompt. This can take a moment, so be patient as it compiles everything. When your draft appears, it's time to edit. Tweak the text so it matches your brand voice, adjust clip timings for better pacing, and swap any visuals you don't love with stock footage or your own uploads. You can fine-tune animations, pick different transitions, and adjust music volume so the narration or on-screen text stands out. Play it back often to make sure it flows smoothly and lands your message clearly. When you're happy with the result, click Share, then Download. In the Format menu, choose MP4 video, so it's compatible with most platforms. Confirm your settings, then download the file to your computer. And that's how you use the Canva AI video generator for beginners. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.